Hello, I'm Darcy, the Senior Marketing Manager for Ostomy Products here at Coloplast, and I'm here with Athena Carlson, an Ostomy Care Advisor from our Coloplast Care program. We're here today to talk about our Coloplast Care Welcome Kit. This goes out to each person enrolled into our educational program on ostomy lifestyle and product choices. Our goal is to offer product and lifestyle information to new ostomates living their life with an ostomy. Some nurses will enroll patients during your pre-surgical teaching session, while you're in the hospital, or even during an outpatient visit. Or you may have chosen to sign up for the program yourself. Athena, do you want to walk us through what's in the Coloplast Care Welcome Kit?
Yeah, for sure. Let's unbox it. So the kit comes in a box like this, and as you open it, you'll see our introductory letter and a book related to your ostomy type. There is a letter for you to pass on to your home health nurse, which also has video instructions on the back. Then you'll see this gray travel bag, which holds some items, including a curved pair of scissors, a mirror, a measuring guide, and a marking pen here up top. The mirror can be used as you view your ostomy, as you are removing and cleaning the area, and also when placing your next ostomy pouch. Usually what we send in the beginning will be cut to fit products. So use the measuring guide and measure the stoma, and use the marking pen to mark the exact size on the barrier. And then use the scissors to cut the base plate to the correct size. Next, you'll see we also include some protective seals and elastic barrier strips in each pack like this. There is also instructions for use included for those, but you'll only use these if instructed by your nurse. If pouches or other accessories were requested by your nurse, you'll see those on this side of the box as well. And just a reminder, the phone number for our care advising team is on this letter, along with a photo of our team. So feel free to reach out with any questions.
Could you tell us more about what you do in the Coloplast Care Advising team?
Yeah, so I connect with people who have recently joined Coloplast Care after their surgery. I answer questions and really meet them where they are at in their learning process. Ostomy surgery is a big life change and can take some time for adjusting to using ostomy pouches. We talk through how to use products, but also can connect people to the care network in their area, meaning dealers and home health nurses. After a few calls and the stoma is shrinking down, sometimes people are ready to move to a pre-cut option, and we can help relay the correct information to their preferred dealer. I also have people ask about support in their area, or I can help provide options and recommend they contact a healthcare professional if they are really struggling. This is based on a zip code lookup and their decision.
Is there anything you'd like to point out in the book or something you find helpful to discuss with people?
Yeah, definitely. So there is a section called socializing in the book that specifically addresses how to talk to other people about your stoma. It may be challenging to approach this topic, and this section offers strategies and encouragement to help ostomates activate their support network. Another section that is really useful is called Ostomy Pouching Systems. It offers tips for how to cut your barrier and how to apply it. Sometimes folks don't realize that there are more pouching options than what they received in the hospital, and this section helps explain the different types.
Thank you, Athena. Now, if they use the products in the kit and they want to find the numbers for ordering, can you help explain where to find that information?
Yeah, so there are two places. So first, you'll find the item number on the pouch itself in the upper portion under this flap of gray fabric. If you have a one-piece pouch, that's the only number you need. But for two-piece products, you will find the item number for the pouch in the same place. But for the barrier, you can locate the product code for this in the packing slip in the box where it says product number. If you're unable to find it, of course, call us and we can help you identify which items we sent to you. For the accessories, there is a brochure with the item numbers highlighted on the back.
Thank you so much, Athena. And if you're watching this video and have questions in the United States, please reach out to Coloplast Care Advising Team at 877-858-2656. Our advisors speak English and Spanish. You may also sign up at the Coloplast Care website we're showing here. Information from Coloplast Care is for educational purposes only. It is not intended to substitute for professional medical advice and should not be interpreted to contain treatment recommendations. You should rely on the healthcare professional who knows your individual history for personal medical advice and diagnosis.